Welcome everyone to North Kuwait Excavation, Transportation and Remediation Project Zone 1. Monthly video February 2025. Please join us on our journey to these achievements. Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil. Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil was continued from Rowderton area, where we have been working in sub-areas 2C, 2D and 2E. An average daily of 1,600 metric tons of contaminated soil was transported every day to the treatment plant for remediation works. The transported soils are weighed in the weigh bridge and stockpiled in accordance with TPH values for screening in the screening machines. The total quantity transported in the month of February is approximately 38,200 metric tons respectively. We are proud to announce that since the first transportation on the 15th of November, 2022 till to date, the total cumulative transportation of 3.6 million metric tons of contaminated soil to the treatment area has been completed for remediation works. Screening, pulverizing and placing of contaminated soils at treatment area. Screening and pulverizing activities are ongoing where 5 screening units and a crusher is in operation in 2 shifts. The screened soils are weighed in weigh bridge and placed in the stockpiles and biopads for remediation through bioremediation and soil washing technologies for contaminated soil with TPH values ranging from 1 to 5, 5 to 7 and greater than 7. The total contaminated soil screened, crushed and placed this month is 65,700 metric tons for remediation works. The total contaminated soil placed so far for remediation works is approximately 3.1 million metric tons respectively from the start of the project. Treated soil. We are delighted to inform that, so far 2.3 million metric tons of remediated soil has been removed from the treatment plant from the start of the remediation works. Approximately 685,000 metric tons of remediated soil was transported and backfilled in gatch pits, well pads and excavation areas at Sabria and Rowderton sub-areas, and 1.6 million metric tons was shifted to the temporary stockpile at south side of treatment plant area. Environmental and remediation update. This month marks a significant milestone in our journey to restore the environment. We are proud to announce that we have successfully reached RTC for over 2,538,196 tons of contaminated soil. Here's a summary of our achievement. Total RTC for 1 to 5% TPH soil, 2,275,598 tons. Total RTC for 5 to 7% TPH soil, 176,291 tons. Total RTC for greater than 7% TPH soil, 86,306 tons. This month, we completed RTC for 7 bioremediation batches and 1 soil washing batch. Additionally, we achieved a remarkable 50% TPH degradation in 10 bio batches. This month, we placed 7 batches for bioremediation, totaling 61,475 tons of soil with TPH ranging from 1% to over 7%. Some of these batches were mixed with filter cake from soil washing. This month alone, we collected 50 soil samples from 1,050 grab samples across both bioremediation and soil washing processes and sent them to the external laboratory for analysis. Additionally, our team is actively monitoring the bioremediation process through internal progress sampling, focusing on moisture levels and bacterial counts to optimize the degradation process. To further enhance bioremediation, we tilled 52 bio batches and irrigated 90 batches this month. On February 23, 2025, our team, along with representatives from PMC, visited the laboratory to monitor sample analysis procedures and ensure compliance with quality standards.